Sounds of progress can be heard along Union Avenue these days. Demolition starting this week, in fact, to build Union Row, a massive mixed-use project including apartments, hotels, offices, retail, even a full-service grocery store.
But will the final development live up to all the hype? Local 24 political analyst Otis Sanford shares his point of view.
If you're driving along Union Avenue these days, all that noise you're hearing is the sound of progress. Demolition equipment is busy bringing down one vacant structure after another, from 4th Street to Danny Thomas Boulevard and possibly beyond. The coming attraction to replace all that blight is Union Row, a $1.1 billion development consisting of plenty of retail and office space, hundreds of hotel rooms, and at least one and possibly two grocery stores. Public incentives to the tune of some $185 million have been approved to make the Union Row development a reality. And it appears to be full speed ahead for all of the government entities to sign off on the project. We've been talking about this development for several months, and the key movers and shakers behind the project have been thoroughly vetted by the Institute for Public Service Reporting at the University of Memphis. While some of them have been involved in numerous legal disputes, nothing has been uncovered so far that says Union Row is pie in the sky. It is instead potentially a game changer for economic development, not just downtown, but across Memphis. So is the other massive development planned for the Pinch District. Obviously, none of it means a cure for poverty or other ills plaguing the city. But that sound of demolition on Union is a sweet sound indeed. And that's my point of view. I'm Otis Sanford for Local 24 News.